Ready for the dictation at the speed of 90 words per minute. Start. Counsel for the petitioner submits that during the entire service, the petitioner was transferred for 24 times and she joined the transferred places obeying the order/command issued by higher authorities. Full stop. Counsel submits that during the service tenure of petitioner, she was granted 3 promotions and her services remained unblemished, and during her service tenure no penalty was imposed against the petitioner. Full stop. Learned Counsel submits that wide order dated 19/4/2014, the petitioner was transferred from Jaipur branch to Alwar branch and the petitioner was supposed to join at the transferred place on or before 29/4/2014. Stop. Counsel submits that due to her family circumstances, the petitioner could not join and she requested the authorities to retain her at Jaipur branch. Stop. Counsel submits that when the request of petitioner was not considered, an application was submitted for the grant of privilege leave on medical grounds. Stop. Counsel submits that without considering the application, her relieving order was passed on 29/4/2014 with directions to join immediately and joining leave are to be availed thereafter. Stop. Counsel submits that whenever relieving order is passed, some joining time is granted and the instant case is peculiar one where directions have been issued to join immediately and avail the leave after joining. Full stop. Counsel submits that the petitioner was served with a charge sheet on 11/8/2014 and the inquiry commenced against the petitioner on 14/11/2014. Stop. Prior to the commencement of inquiry, the petitioner joined the transferred place on 1/11/2014. Stop. Counsel submits that the inquiry was completed in hasty manner within 2 days even after expiry of bank hours and the same continued till 8:45 p.m. on 15/11/2014. Stop. Counsel submits that the petitioner submitted reply to the inquiry report on 15/1/2015 and on the same day the higher officials passed the impugn order without even perusing the reply submitted by the petitioner, which amounts to non-application of mind, and it appears that they were predetermined to pass the impugn order against the petitioner. Full stop. Counsel submits that proper opportunity was not provided to the petitioner to produce her defense and the inquiry was completed in a hasty manner. Stop. Hence, the total inquiry is quite unfair. Full stop. He further submits that the total period of absence of the petitioner was hardly 6 months and looking to such period, the order impugned has been passed on a higher side and the same is quite disproportionate. Full stop. Counsel submits that various leaves were lying unavailed in the privilege leave account of the petitioner and the petitioner was entitled to claim her privilege leave, but without granting the privilege leave, order impugned has been passed against the petitioner. Full stop. Counsel submits that the inquiry has been conducted in a malicious manner with ulterior object to compulsory retire the petitioner from service. Stop. He submits that the petitioner wanted to examine two witnesses, but the respondent refused to examine these witnesses on a vague ground that these witnesses are not related to the charges. However, for defense, examination of these witnesses was necessary to prove the case of the petitioner. Full stop.